talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Shoot, what is popping? Oh man, let's get it. Let's get. Is this thing on? Yeah, it's on. My Postal Family 2024 is here. How y'all doing? Are you good? Good, good, good. We're gonna start the year off with some foolishness and some news for you, Trust me. Don't you dare ever blame the post office for you guys being behind. Forget the post office. Do not blame Amazon for you guys being late for anything, okay? It's not a thing. I don't want to hear it coming out of your mouth. Do not blame Amazon because you guys can't get your routes done on time, all right? Jay's sick of it. I'm just kidding. That's exactly what was told to carriers. Rural mail carriers warned not to blame mail delays on Amazon. Y'all probably pissed right now, like, Jay, what the hell's wrong with you? Mail carriers in rural Minnesota post office overwhelmed by Amazon packages say they've been warned not to use the word Amazon, including when customers ask why the mail is delayed. We are not to mention the word Amazon to anyone, said a mail carrier who spoke to on the condition of anonymity to protect their job, meaning that they scared to talk to the media. If asked, they are to be referred to as delivery partners or distributors. As a second carrier, said a second carrier, it's ridiculous. The directive passed down Monday morning from U.S. Postal Service management comes 3 weeks after mail carriers in northern Minnesota town staged a symbolic strike outside the post office. They didn't strike because they were not really striking. Protesting the heavy workloads and long hours caused by the sudden arrival of thousands of Amazon packages. I hate for me to be reflecting last year, but you guys saw all those pallets that were sitting outside of those places, right? You remember that. You remember that. Well, it was specifically told, okay? Told to the carriers, don't you dare mention the word Amazon. We won't want to destroy their name saying that they're the reason that you guys are late. I just need you guys to know that we don't want to hear foolishness. Okay? Cut it out. What y'all think about that? Jay's gonna read articles. You know, he's gonna read articles, let y'all discuss it. Jay's gonna be a modern day Reddit. You see me? All right, okay, let's talk on something else. Copy the I, Dr. T. Let's talk about it, baby. Good news, good news. USPS will soon be accepting applications for the summer internship program. What does this mean for you? Probably not a damn thing. Not a damn thing. For your kids, maybe. For your kids. Who should apply? Follow me. They must be currently enrolled in an accredited university and have 48 credit hours completed on your transcript by the time of applying. Have a concentration in an applicable discipline such as engineering, human resources, accounting, finance, supply, sales, marketing, information technology, and others. Have strong written and verbal communication skills. This program is great for veterans. When to apply? Summer internships are available to apply January 8th through January 29th. The program will begin May 20th, 2024. I'm sorry. Start talking tish. It's in the news link. A 10-week program is open to rising college juniors and seniors, as well as students enrolled in a postgraduate degree program. Application window runs from January 8th to 29th. There will be blah, 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 blah. The thing that they're trying to do, I'm assuming, this is just a guess, they're trying to get some people in upper management that actually have college degrees. And this is an internship. So if you have children that are in college and you want to curse them with the curse of coming to the post office, this is a good thing. This is. I mean, this ain't always about negative news. This is information. And if they have the opportunity to do an internship working for the post office under upper management, we want that change. We want that change. Here's the time. I mean, some of us are past our due dates. Really? You know, I'm way past college. I was in the 90s. But this is good. This is good. So, again, if you have children they're going to keep this program going. So, you know, my little man hit 18. I'm a subject to him. Hey, look, dog, make it happen. Just make it happen, cousin. I call my son cousin. That's what I do. I apologize. I'm trying to block that out. Now back to the foolishness, shall we? Yeah. Did you guys hear about this? USPS workers hospitalized after allegedly eating drugged brownies at a work party. Bet you didn't hear about this one. Some of you did. Some of you stay on top of the news. I tell you guys, stay on top of the news. Employees of a local United States Postal Service distribution center were hospitalized after allegedly eating brownies laced with drugs at a work party. Probably a Christmas party or New Year. Yo, this ain't even funny. How many of y'all did your Christmas parties at your job? Think about that. One of the workers, and it could have been any one of you, because I'm sure 90% of you did some holiday parties, right? And they had the food there when you guys got back, or they just had a celebration. Somebody drugged brownies. News received a tip from an anonymous individual about the incident. A spokesperson from the USPS confirmed the incident is under investigation. The holiday party took place on December 22nd at the USPS Processing Distribution Center in Harrisburg. It is unknown what drug was inside the brownies, but 2 workers were reported to have been hospitalized. The Postal Service is taking this matter very seriously and is investigating it alongside with the assistance from the United States Postal Service Office of Inspector General. So, you guys don't know, the Inspector General investigates internal situations, and the inspectors themselves, postal inspectors, tend to try to deal with stuff coming from the outside in, just so you have a know-how of what they're doing. That's crazy. You imagine, you at the Christmas party, definitely drinking just water and juice, and soda. That's what you guys drink at your Christmas parties. And then somebody decided to be that funny guy. But I don't even think this is funny, because if it was laced with weed, I don't think people would get hospitalized. Because I'm sure that there's more than 2 people that ate it, unless half the people at the plant smoke weed, right? It would have affected them. But I don't know, man. I don't know. That's pretty messed up. Somebody drugged me, I'll be vexed. I've never had a drug in my body. Yeah, no. I've never had weed or any of those drugs. I've taken medications, but yeah, I'm sure if that happened to me, I'd probably get sick too. But yeah, this is what's going on in the postal world. Is it crazy? Is it crazy? I got another video coming up. Somebody sent me some information about the carrier's president. They feel like the president of the union sold them out. I'm gonna read an article. It's just an opinion piece, and that'll be in an upcoming video. It's an opinion piece, but I'm gonna read it for you guys, and you could judge. whether or not you agree or disagree with the opinion piece. Again, it's an article. Just read it. That's all I'm doing is just reading stuff. Read it. You know, information comes to me, I'll read it. But yeah, how was your New Year's? How was your New Year's, fam? Just drop your comments. Tell everybody if you had a banger, or you just sat home and you know, kept with the family, or you went to church to bring the New Year in with the man upstairs. Actually, I don't have a man upstairs. I got a roof, but you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. You know, drop your comment. Jay wants to hear it. Trying a little bit different this year. Gonna try to be a little more mixed with my messages. Little messages being mixed. Yeah, little bad and good and bad. Mix them together. That way my topics ain't always so cringeworthy. Unless I have to. And if you don't like it, y'all know what you can do. JH. We out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.